Moving on to news from Nepal. Nepal's Finance Minister Yubaraj Khatiwara, while presenting the budget to the parliament on Thursday, said that Nepal aims to further strengthen relations with neighboring countries. His remarks come amid ongoing border row with India.
Nepal's Finance Minister Dr. Yubaraj Khatiwara said on Thursday that Nepal aims to further strengthen relations with neighboring nations and the country's foreign policy would function on the basis of mutual benefits and respect. Khatiwara made the statement while presenting the budget for the fiscal year 2020-21 in the parliament. His remarks come amid ongoing border row with neighboring India. The Nepal government introduced budget with a ceiling of 1,474 billion Nepali rupees and has prioritized health sector and economic recovery as COVID-19 pandemic continues to grip hold in the Himalayan nation.
सार्वभौमिक समानताको आधारमा अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय सम्बन्ध कायम गरिनेछ। परराष्ट्र नीतिलाई राष्ट्रिय हित, पारस्परिक लाभ र सम्मान, अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय प्रतिबद्धता तथा दायित्व र न्यायमा आधारित हुने गरी सञ्चालन गरिनेछ।
Tension has been mounting between New Delhi and Kathmandu after Nepal issued a revised political map this month, which claims disputed territories of Kalapani, Limpiadhura and Lipulekh as its own. Nepal government this week deferred its plan to move a constitutional amendment in parliament to give legal backing to the map as the main opposition Nepali Congress party has sought time to discuss the issue. India has said the tri-junction is part of its territory, but it remains open for dialogue to resolve the issue.